What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Budget Builds. And on this episode, I'm going to take you what I found by taking it on its first water test. Okay, when I first took it on its water test, I first put it in and I got it started, and it was fine when it was idling, but at like quarter throttle, it started misfiring and shaking, and it was just not good. So I brought it back home and I fixed the problem. It was a power pack. The power pack was bad. I fixed it before, and let me get it right now and I'll show you. Here's the power pack. Right here you can see there's a connector missing on that one. Let me find the other ones. There's a wire nut butt connector right here. See how close it is to the end? So I wasn't able to fix it again, so I just bought a new one. Here's another one. Here's another one. All three of them had issues controlling the spark, so I just decided to buy a new one. Alright, here's a new one made by CDI Electronics. Got it all wired up. Got all the connectors put back in. All the new spark wires to control the coils. New plug wires, new spark plugs. Everything is new and it runs great. I tried it out last night. And yeah, I'll start it up for you guys so you can see. And for anybody that was wondering, this is a 1995 Johnson 70 horse. And yeah, let me start it up so you guys can see. Okay, now I'm going to talk about a couple things about the boat. I do got to say the speakers work great. A lot louder than I thought they were going to be. The chair works out good. Cooler, whatever. Now, my plan for the front up here is I got a lot of extra space. I think I want to add another one of the cooler seats so that you can either be facing forward or facing towards the other way to the back. And I don't know, I feel like that'd just take care of the seating problem that I'm having. I also would like to put side bolsters, cushioned side bolsters, like right here, all the way around, so it kind of cleans it up, cleans up the edges. Looks good now, but if I clean up the edges of side bolsters, I'll probably get those made when I have the cushion made for this. And yeah, all right, so tomorrow take you guys on the water test, and it should work. I revved it up last night. Seems like it's working, but won't know until we get it on the water. All right, everybody, good morning. I got the boat hooked up in the back, as you can see, and we're heading to Lake Osborne, and we're gonna put it on the water today. As you can see, we made it to the lake, so let's get the boat ready and back down the ramp. All right, we'll let that warm up, let the motor warm up and whatnot, and then we'll start doing some test runs. But I do gotta say, there's one great morning to be on the lake. Nobody out here, flat water, nice weather. It's only like 75 out. It's great. All right, once the motor warms up, I'll be right back with you guys. All right, so I won't be able to do very much today because part of the lake, the back half of the lake is locked down because someone crashed a boat yesterday. So I'll go as far as I can and wide open throttle it and whatnot. And well, also the top speed I can be able to get right now is 36, which is pretty good actually. So we'll see what happens. I'll be back with you guys when I get out of this no wake zone. Okay, we're out of the no wake zone. Let's put a full throttle to it and see what happens. All right, sorry about that. I would have filmed me backing up into the water and getting it out of the trailer, but my camera decided to mess up. Whatever. So yeah, everything seemed to work out great, and I got it on the trailer. As you can see, I pulled it out. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great weekend.